Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making a keto-friendly low-carb cracker. So the base of this recipe is going to be almond flour, and then I'm going to add some seeds in there and some Himalayan pink salt. It's going to be nice and crispy, and the best part is it tastes so good and it's still keto-friendly. So stay tuned for my almond flour crackers recipe. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this easy cracker recipe. So let's get started. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, and you can either crush them or leave them whole, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, a dash of turmeric, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and then I'm mixing it all together. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and I'm mixing it all together. You'll need to use your hands here to really mix that dough well and make sure that it comes together and can form a ball. If your dough isn't coming together, you can add just a little bit more of water, but this is just right. I've placed a ball of dough on some parchment paper, flattened it with the palm of my hand, and placed another piece of parchment paper on top. And now it's time to roll it out. So I'm doing a little bit of rolling and a little bit of pressing down the dough. The parchment paper is slippery here, but we have to use it because the dough will stick to the rolling pin. I'm going to roll this out to about 1/2 inch thick. And now I'm going to cut the dough into squares before baking. You should use a sharp knife here to make sure that you have clean lines when you're cutting. I'm putting this on a cookie pan, and it's going into the oven on 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. So the crackers are done and they look and taste great. The flaxseed meal adds fiber, the turmeric gives it a really nice flavor, and the sunflower seeds add some texture. It's the perfect cracker when you want something crunchy without the carbs. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cooking!